Hello all, welcome to Know Your Medicine, an initiative by Lybrate, your personalized health companion. In this video, we are going to discuss about Nexito 5mg tablet. We will be discussing elements like why it is used, to whom it is prescribed, its consumption and various side effects. Before starting with the theory, let me tell you a brief about this medication. Nexito tablet is an antidepressant which is used to treat depression and generalized anxiety disorder. It helps in optimizing the serotonin levels in the body. Nexito tablet is a selective inhibitor of serotonin reuptake with high affinity for the primary binding site. It also binds to an allosteric site on the serotonin transporter with a 1000-fold lower affinity. This medication is generally prescribed in the treatment of depression and anxiety disorders. Some of the common side effects of this medication include diarrhea, headache, and abdominal pain. Nexito tablet is normally prescribed to be taken once a day. The usual dose is 10 to 20 mg for adults as well as children. Nexito tablet is not suitable for everyone as it might cause harmful effects on people suffering from certain conditions. Warning: please do not take this medication without consulting your physician.